Pip is standard Python package manager. UV provides faster installation speeds. Import test verifies successful installation. LaTeX enables mathematical equation rendering. Different installation methods per operating system. Version check confirms LaTeX availability. Pillow handles image processing operations. SciPy provides scientific computing functions. FFmpeg enables video file generation. Scene class contains animation logic. Construct method defines what happens. Write animates text appearance. Wait pauses between animations. Circle. MathTeX renders LaTeX mathematical notation. Use raw strings for LaTeX. Replacement transform smoothly changes between equations. Run_time controls animation duration in seconds. Rate_func changes animation easing. Different rate functions create varied motion effects. Color parameter sets object colors. Fill_opacity controls transparency. Animate property enables smooth property changes. Shift moves objects by vector amounts. Move_to positions at specific coordinates. Rotate spins objects around points. Axes creates coordinate system. Plot draws function graphs. Get_graph_label adds equation labels to graphs. Decimal number displays numeric values. Change decimal to value animates number changes. Value tracker enables dynamic number updates. VGroup combines multiple objects together. Set_color_by_gradient creates color transitions. Lagged start staggers animation timing. Background rectangles set scene mood. Fade in with scale creates zoom effects. To_edge positions objects at screen edges.